The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act is a law in India that was enacted in 2012 to provide a legal framework for the protection of children from sexual abuse and exploitation. The Act defines various sexual offences against children, including sexual assault, sexual harassment, and pornography, and provides for strict punishment for the offenders. Under the POCSO Act, sexual offences against children are considered as serious crimes, and the law enforcement agencies are required to investigate them promptly and efficiently. The Act also provides for the establishment of special courts to conduct the trial of such offences in a time-bound and child-friendly manner. The Act also includes provisions for the protection and support of child victims, including the provision of medical and psychological assistance, legal aid, and the creation of a safe environment for the child's recovery and rehabilitation. The POCSO Act defines a child as any person below the age of 18 years and covers a wide range of sexual offences committed against them, including penetrative sexual assault, aggravated penetrative sexual assault, sexual harassment of a child, using a child for pornographic purposes, possession of pornographic material involving a child, advertising or promoting child pornography, abetment of any of the above offences. The Act also provides for stringent punishment for the offenders, including imprisonment ranging from 3 years to life, and fine. It also includes provisions for fast-tracking the investigation, trial, and disposal of cases related to sexual offences against children. One of the significant features of the POCSO Act is the emphasis on the protection and support of child victims throughout the legal process. It includes provisions for the creation of child-friendly courts, appointment of special public prosecutors, and the use of child-friendly language during the trial. In addition to legal measures, the POCSO Act also emphasizes the importance of preventing child sexual abuse through awareness raising, education, and the creation of safe environments for children. Reporting of sexual offences. The POCSO Act makes it mandatory for any person who has knowledge or suspicion of sexual abuse or exploitation of a child to report it to the concerned authorities. Failure to do so is a punishable offense. Child-friendly justice system. The Act aims to create a child-friendly justice system by ensuring that the child is not subjected to any kind of trauma during the legal process. This includes provisions for in-camera trials, protection of the child's identity, and the presence of a trusted person during the trial. Compensating the victim. The Act also provides for the compensation of the victim of a sexual offense, which includes medical treatment, rehabilitation, and any other assistance as required. Offenses committed by persons in authority. The Act also includes provisions for offenses committed by persons in authority, such as police officers, public servants, and staff in child care institutions. The punishment for such offences is higher than that for ordinary citizens. Time-bound trials. The POCSO Act mandates that trials of sexual offences against children should be completed within a year from the date of filing the charge sheet. It also provides for the appointment of a special public prosecutor to ensure that the trial is conducted in a time-bound and efficient manner. Punishment for false complaints. The Act also provides for punishment in case of false complaints. Anyone making a false complaint of sexual abuse against a child is punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months or a fine or both. Overall, the POCSO Act is an essential tool in India's fight against child sexual abuse and exploitation, and its strict provisions and focus on victim protection have helped in bringing a greater sense of accountability and justice in cases related to sexual offences against children.